everyone, welcome to ZAARA'S world. This is your Zara. Welcome to Skill Development episode 3. Today I'm going to make lava lamp at home all by myself. Come, let's begin. Let's make it together. These are the ingredients that we need to make the lava lamp. There are 4 ingredients that we need. I will tell you. We have baking soda, oil, vinegar and food coloring. You can choose any color you want. Red, purple, green, blue and yellow. Oh, a lot of colors you can choose. Any color. Now I'm going to add this with 1 spoon of this. I'll take another spoon. I'll add 3 spoons. 2 spoons. 3 spoons. So that might be enough. I think so. They must be enough. I think yeah, it's enough. Now I think this is not enough, but I will add 1 more spoon. That might be okay. So carefully add 1 more. Oops. That must be enough now. Now I added 4 spoons of baking soda. My brother also wants to add 1 spoon of baking soda. Now that's 5 baking sodas. Now I'm going to put the oil. That's enough, I think. And bubbles are coming, look, small ones. This is vinegar. Now I'm going to put the food coloring inside the vinegar. Now I'm going to put it inside very slowly. Oops. I pressed it a little hard. Now let's mix like this. Now our things are ready. Let's mix to see if it's going to be a lava. Now I will off the light to get a clear picture of lava. Oops. Okay, I keep doing it. Wow, it's erupting. Wow! Look, it's so awesome. Wow! Look at those bubbles. They're so cool. And look at these bubbles. They're so cute. This is a lava lamp. Do you like it, everyone? It's like a real volcano. Oh, is it not? My brother likes it too. Wow! You can create this all by yourself. You also can create this lava all together. If you can do by yourself as well. You can make at home. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.